I'm Lisa, and this is my AHS story. I live a very full life. My friends would say that I'm always busy. I essentially have a basement apartment that I rent out full-time. I work remotely as an attorney while simultaneously doing laundry in the background, preparing for my next vacation rental guest. If I'm not wearing my attorney hat, then I'm typically planning one of my trips. Having American Home Shield makes me feel safe, secure when I'm home, but also when I'm traveling abroad. When I was out of the country, I got a call. My dryer was not working correctly. So I was freaking out because I was gone for 2 weeks. And then I was like, oh, I have American Home Shield. And I submitted a claim, and a technician contacted me. We were up and running literally while I was on vacation, having a good time. The best part about my trip, besides the food, was having peace of mind, just knowing that American Home Shield had my back. Don't worry, be warranty.